the whole CD came about because I started to learn more about when and how Hawaiians came here. Hawaiians started coming here in the 1800s. Sutter came over with 10 Hawaiians. Those Kanaka helped Sutter build Sutter's Fort. Hawaiians started to make their way across the Pacific Northwest. And returning back to Sutter's Fort, the Hawaiians began to intermarry with the Indians and the Native Americans, the Native people. And then those Native folks began their own language and intertwining the language and the culture. And each one of those folks have stories and stories and stories. And when I look back at it, I come from a long line of folks from here. But it never made me less Hawaiian, I always say. And when I was younger, folks would make fun of me. They would say, "You're not Hawaiian, you're from the mainland," or, you know, "That's not how you do this." And then I'd be challenged. But I returned to Hawaii on vacations or on learning trips, and my grandmother would always say, she'd always share these stories of my ancestors. And these were stories that she said, "I tell this to you, you tell it to your family, but you do not share it with anyone else." And I didn't understand why. And now I know why. I asked my mom, "What does my Hawaiian name mean, Mom?" Because in time you'll understand. If your name is your ancestors, do not bring shame to this family. Your name is only lended to you, but they belong to your ancestors. And my ancestors were leaders. And I would like to say, I follow in their footsteps, but in a different path. But to all of those folks that were born here, and their parents from Hawaii, and their grandchildren, and my children, the most important thing is to find home. And I'm home. I no longer say my family's from Molokai, or "Where you from, bro?" Kahuku. I say I'm from Berkeley, California. And I'm proud. And so Kenneth Makuakane says, "No more, enough already. Write your music. Stop covering these standard songs. Be creative. How do you feel?" I was like, I feel like I really am home. I'm home. And so I came up with this song. And it goes a little like this. How would you feel if I came up to you and said that you weren't real? And how would you feel, how would you know that my blood's as thick as Mauna snow? If I didn't tell you so, now you know. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii's not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be in me. Home will always be in me. And how would it be if I grew up with my friends and family in Hawaii? Then it wouldn't be me. Here I am now, staring up the slopes of the Ko'olau, thinking about how I feel. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii's not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be me. This I know, the journey I've made is finally taking me home. It's finally taking me home. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii's not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be me. Just because I'm not from doesn't mean Hawaii's not with me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be me. That home will always be in me. Home will always be in me. Oh, will always be in me. I'm going home. Home will always be in me. Thank you for joining me here at home. I really appreciate it. And wherever we go, like we say, we never say goodbye in Hawaiian. We always say ahuiho until we meet again. And may our journeys and our paths cross. And if not, I'll see you all on Facebook. Thank you, folks. Folks, we won't do a hana ho, but we'll leave you with this. How is this?